Welcome back to the Champ Outdoors. So, this week I'm taking my friend Jamie out and we're going to fish his first tournament ever. It's going to be on Pool 24 of the Mississippi River out of Louisiana, Missouri. It's not a pool of the river that's known for being very good, and the water level's a little down. The current is what it is. I mean, it's Mississippi, it's going to be flowing. And yeah, I'm hoping we can find a summertime bite. Luckily, that in the morning, I did find out an area that used to be very productive that at one point was off limits is no longer off limits. So yeah, we're planning on hitting that up. Plan is to start out on some wing dams and all, and then work our way up a river kind of backwater deal, and then try to fish a marina. Yeah, just try to grind out a day, see what we can do. And with that, let's get to it. Just pop it, it should pop off. I was gonna say, that's kind of one of the reasons why I set you up with that. I say, as long as you make sure the point of the hook's kind of just skin hooked. Yeah. I say, and that's kind of the beauty of that thing. You can fish it like a jig. You can just chunk and wind it like a crankbait. Got one? Net? Bass? Drum. Hey, trash fish. No, seriously, we have a trash fish pot.
Nice.
Yeah. There's one, still have it. There we go, that might be cheaper. Nope, but that is a keeper. Did he swallow it? Because he had it for a while. Let's see, maybe, where do you... Oh yeah. What do they call them? It's like a G-Cracks who makes it. Makes the name brand. The original. Or the actual, I guess I should say in this case. Watch out, that was another one. Maybe. Like I said, that's alright, that's kind of where you need to be, back in there. Pop your line, or yep, there we go. The old ball head jig, like beetle crappie lures. I mean, it's basically just a little bit scaled up version of that, and not even scaled up that much. It's like, holy crap, you can hear that guy running for a while, and I looked up and there's another boat coming this way. That was that first boat that passed us. Yeah, the one with the two guys that I couldn't tell if they're high school kids or not. Yeah. Little one. little one. I don't think that's gonna measure. It's just a little bit better deal than just buying what you actually need. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Please be a bass. Yeah. Fucking drum. What's that? Yeah. They're supposed to be more efficient. There we go. Yep. Get him, catch him, catch him, catch him. That was an adventure. Kick him down in the... There we go. Oh, I got it on camera. There we go. Yep. Get it. That's an adventure. There we go. Yeah, I put. Yeah, we might have to like start weighing and deciding on trash fish when we get back to the ramp. Like, we'll have to like call trash fish at the ramp. Yeah. That's a. I'll say, you want to do that now, or we can do it later too? Yeah. Yeah, we'll have to get a picture of that with you. The 15-inch crappie?
15.
Yeah.
Oh.
We might have to like start weighing and deciding on trash fish when we get back. There it is. Oh.
Whoa.
Gar. It had my line. That's why it snapped off.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Yeah. 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 Ooh, what's that? That's a bass. Nope. What is that? Drum?
Oh, it's fucking big.
What the hell is it? Dogfish.
Fuck that son of a bitch.
Yep, here. Hang on.
Get off.
Okay.
You got my chair wet.
Here, bring. And let me grab a. Yeah.
Oh, there he goes.
Okay, good. Like,
I know. It's fucking so rough.
oh no. I was gonna say, I don't want that in there for our trash fish. Because I don't want to try to get it out. Okay. What? Yeah. Yeah, that's a dogfish.
So we
Yeah, probably a walleye. Walleye have teeth.
Okay, I never caught one.
Yeah, big eyes.
We caught it in a trot line. Yeah.
Kind of glow in the dark.
I don't remember that.
Yeah. It was probably a walleye. Little one. You saw me drag it through the water, didn't you?
Yeah.
All right, so pretty fun day. It was a grind, got hot. Yeah, we had to, it was one of those, we had to make every bite we had count, and we kind of did. One of the best possible, but we drew a check. Ended up in third with 3 fish for 4.37 pounds, which oddly enough is what the team in first place, each one of them had, because each one caught 3 fish, weighed in 6 fish total for what, 4.37, just shy of 9 pounds. Yeah, caught all our fish just kind of flipping, caught a lot of fish flipping shallow on brush. Then most of our fish came off docks, kind of suspended under it, flipping up by it, and yeah, it was a lot of fun. Caught a lot of junk fish. Jamie caught that slab of a crappie. Ended up being 15 inches and just shy of 2 pounds. I mean, good fish, especially for that river, that pool, everything. Like, that was not expected. Did have a dogfish, some drum, but more importantly, we did have those 3 keeper bass. So yeah, it was a lot of fun. Yeah, I haven't fished that river in I don't know how many years, probably a decade or so. But yeah, it's always nice to draw a check on a body of water that you're not necessarily that familiar with. But as always, thanks for tagging along. Please like, comment, subscribe. It helps drive the channel out to other people and helps us grow. And with that, I'll catch you next time on the Champ Outdoors.